Yes, all I want to all Jamaicans are not wicked. And then you not blame them like a young youths here. But you not blame them for something we are going to do. The whole of them, all Jamaicans them, like our grandparents them, our great grandfather, our great grandmother, our great great grandfather, our great great grandmother. If them did real, we would have.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable, and today I'm featuring a video with Tony Matheron. I know you guys see the title already, what Tony Matheron have to say about the jacket. So if you not give no man jacket, no fit happy. You know, right? So Tony Matheron makes some points right there, and him have a point. Because him saying that this thing started from our great-great-grandparents. And that's true. That's true. So guys, before I take you all over to the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video with Tony Matheron. So let's go over to the video.
You see all of them old woman there, our great-grandmothers them, our great-great-grandmothers them, and them start the with jacket, because jacket no come from we, jacket come from them. Them used to dance up with Uncle Benji and know say Uncle Barry are them man, and them give Uncle Benji like a pum pum and breed for Uncle Benji, and then act like them don't know say them Uncle Benji and Uncle Barry. Wicked. They did this. They did this. Me don't know about Obia, man. Me know about it because we great-great-grandparents them and them people them used to talk about me. Obia, you and where you think we know about Obia from? I remember nowadays them little picnic I tell you about Obia. Them don't know no Obia, man. But them great-great-grandparents them come down to them mother and them father do them something there. Real talk. And the old people them we say them a set a foundation for we. Did that though? And somebody have to be blamed. I can't we because it not start with we. You see it? Jacket away from Jesus them days. But them people and them come bring it in our society, and then we go end up then all the deadbeat, all of the youths somewhere, your father run from his fatherly duties, and never him for blame. I feel him father before him and him father before him. Cause them man there. And then you have to blame them. You have to blame them. The reason why them have so much deadbeat dad in our Jamaican society, because most of the man them did figure out say a jacket them I get anyway. So enough of the people them will end up a blame people and I say your father never take care of you. Isn't it safe to say that your father probably figure out say, and you wasn't in Pitney at you, but then no man now waste money for do no DNA, and then them never have DNA at Jamaica. So most of them woman them just a 3 friend and breed for one, and them just keep the man with them there with, because them can't get the man we grind them because them not there with that man there. You understand? That's why we have so much jacket, and that's why we have so much deadbeat dad in our Jamaican society, because back then our great grandparents and our great grandparents figured out say go on here, so you know. And me don't want nobody think it's a sexist thing. It's not a sexist thing. I always talk about it, and I always say, you see, until them there, because the one them will do that, you see, until them admit, say, at them the start with, there will not be we can't resolve this until them wicked girl there take responsibility. Then you're not gonna have the wicked boy them depend on mind them picnic. Them not gonna take the responsibility. But you have to go where the root is and where it start from. So Me no response about a boy or a girl. And the truth is, you couldn't have deadbeat dad without the equivalent of skettle mothers. The reason, we not look for no reason, but at that, so you have to look for the common denominator. The reason why you have so much deadbeat dad is because most of the mothers, them are wicked girl them. One, you say if you want to be extreme, you go extreme, right? That's how you get results. You have to go beyond the call of duty. All right. Any woman per year, I go say, 20 attack, but it cannot be because guess what? A man cannot give himself a jacket. And that you have to understand. It no matter if you're a woman or you say, I bet you say, well, me now go do that. But if you're going to try justify with them bitches they do before you, then you a bitch just like them. Because you would do the same thing like them. You understand? You have to go from where it start from. There is no such thing as a jacket if a woman now more than one man. So, end the discussion. If a woman want to feel in herself like, oh, him a talk down for a woman, I give a... You talk the truth. And the truth I got hurt. There is no such thing. Remember, a man can't give jacket. A man cannot give a jacket. So, no care where you want reason, you could have want take side, you could have want, me not take side for no deadbeat boy. A deadbeat boy got mama. And a girl will give jacket got mama too. But if you, as a woman, out there, and you want to try justify it, because that's why we never get to the bottom of this. We never get to the real root of this, where women always go want jump and say, if you say jacket, women always go want defend. You cannot defend that there. We can't defend them. I want to need to call them out. A man cannot give a jacket, and the only way a jacket can come about is if she have more than one man. Enough of them old girl, they never did that run principles. Them that down the place. Real talk. Real talk. There couldn't be a jacket if she never Uncle Trevor and Uncle Barry. There couldn't be. No for no. I know no real parents don't have, you know. I know no real family bloodline don't have, you know. And that cause incest because the woman get the wrong pitney. Alright, like look on let me tell you one place in Jamaica where a jacket run this up. And them probably hate me for this. But it's the truth. St. Elizabeth. And them originate jacket in a Jamaica. So anybody from St. Elizabeth, wanna come over here, come jump down my chest, make a beat on the left, right, and center. St. Elizabeth. Wanna perform incest because wanna probably end up in your own family. A St. Elizabeth run jacket in a Jamaica. Because I know my history. You see, I'm a historian and a psychologist. I study people way of life. I'm a study from which part me come from. That's why no boy no girl can't tell me about Jamaica. No, not during slavery. Me talk after slavery done and we're good. And we're alright. Carry me a Kigolin State Market. St. Elizabeth people invented the new farmer jacket then. Anybody from St. Elizabeth, Brace River, Santa Cruz, you name it. Black River, come on, St. Elizabeth, Uno invented jacket. The new jacket them. Before in a slavery, we would have jacket. So forget about that. Then with the alright back and with the good. St. Elizabeth people, Uno invent a jacket in a Jamaica. You know, like scamming. Like them say scamming start a mobile. Jacket start a St. Elizabeth. Me so read St. James, you know. Them follow after. St. James and St. Anne, them pick up the trail and start the jacket thing in a Jamaica. You know want me explain why St. Elizabeth start the jacket thing in Jamaica? One, most people are St. Elizabeth don't have on the right name. Out of every 10 people are St. Elizabeth, it's safe to say that 7 of them don't have them rightful family name. So that means 7 out of 10 people at St. Elizabeth was jacket. And it caused a domino effect. So a big jacket them run down there. I don't want the explanation now. I don't figure it out. Can nobody from St. Elizabeth can't tell me nothing different, you know. Because I know history. And history will prove that St. Elizabeth a be a jacket on a run. Be a jacket. And it starts spring off. And from St. Elizabeth it does spring go over Mobile side, Westmoreland, St. James. Yeah. Be a jacket and winter coat they are St. Elizabeth. They don't have their real heritage. And you know why? It started from in the late 60s, early 70s. That's where the jacket them come in. You notice St. Elizabeth have what? The brownest, prettiest girl them from Jamaica come from St. Elizabeth. Them chat bad, but one of the prettiest, actually St. Elizabeth have the prettiest Jamaicans. No argument no night. St. Elizabeth have the prettiest Jamaicans. No argument no night. Okay? St. Elizabeth has the prettiest Jamaicans. Facts. And that's why them have the most jacket. Facts. Listen me, it not have no argument in it. St. Elizabeth have the prettiest Jamaicans. No push up your little fucking parish. You have 2 little pretty girl. Go and dance at St. Elizabeth, and out of every 20 girl, 18 of them pretty. Naturally pretty. You got some other parish, 10 of them pretty. 10 of them stay bad. St. Elizabeth, out of every 20 girl, 18 of them look very excellent. No argument night. Back to St. Elizabeth now. The reason why so much jacket and a St. Elizabeth originate jacket in the modern, going towards the modern time, like the 70s, is because, no, me not chat nonsense. You just think of nonsense because you come from a different parish and you swear, say you know. You not go all over Jamaica, me go all over Jamaica. The woman them are St. Elizabeth. The old girl them, the great grandparents them are some wicked girl them. The whole of them upon them man and breed for the Germans them. That's why St. Elizabeth have some brown girl with green eyes and blue eyes. The whole of the girl them down there did off the German seal of them. Yes, I said it. The whole of the Jamaican black woman them the all the one them were married or not married, them did a Germans them. And when the German boat come, them go dash out them all. Me I give you the plain, straight truth, and it's nothing but the truth. Me now pretty it up for none of them girl there. Cause me and them are a friend. Me don't know them. But me know what them do. The reason why jacket and enough of the girl man people at St. Elizabeth don't even have them right name. Because on the name Gashin Kung and Kofun Kang and Kosun Feng and Gosun Feng. Zain and Tushman and Hoffman and them name there. Don't have the wrong name. All I want the people from St. Elizabeth, but on the name Johnson and Harrison and Jones. Another town of name. Oh no have them name there. One, can me like explain myself, cause nobody can beat me. If you talk shit and you can't back it up, then people will beat you. But if you can back up the shit Alright, look upon this. Say a man named Dusseldorf. And one of them Jamaican girl left Dusseldorf. One, Jamaicans did illiterate at them times there. So, a 1 out of every 100 Jamaican probably could have read and write. So, if Henrietta go dash out her little pum pum and catch a belly for the German sailor. One, she don't even know if to spell him. That a one. Two, I know one German sailor she did. Cause she did Dusseldorf and she did King. She don't know which one of them breed are. One, she don't know which one of them breed are. Two, she couldn't spell none out of the two of them name. And three, she did have Rufus over the common where used to be her boyfriend. Rufus named Rufus Aloysius Johnson. So she breed for one of the German man them. She don't know which one of them she breed for. And two, she don't know how to spell them name anyway. So Rufus, well a brown pretty pitney. And then Rufus now with him eat that self, cause him the glad forget the Henrietta, cause him never used to know him highly like dog. Him got tie up goat in a common for Mass Benji, and Rufus get a little pum pum from Henrietta, cause remember Henrietta thick and broad and body big and breast them stiff up, and so him now, Rufus. You know Rufus with him stay bad self, him pants girt up here so. And him have one dirty water boot where Mass Benji the give him for go tie up goat. Him get the from Henrietta now. You really feel like when she come and say, Rufus, me pregnant and me a keep it. You feel like Rufus himself happy. Even if it was a Westcott, Rufus would take it. So, she give Rufus the pitney. But remember, Rufus named Rufus Aloysius Johnson. So where you think that pitney the name? Carmelita, Elsita, Delsita, Johnson. Now you see where they go on in a Jamaica? In a St. Elizabeth. In a 1965, 60, 66, 67, 68. Rufus get this pretty pitney. Straight nose, green eye. Brown, nice pitney. From Henrietta. Henrietta knew on a Rufus pitney. But guess what? Carmelita Delsita Johnson. I remember them never have birth certificate. Them time they saw them write it down cause maiden deliver the baby. And say, what a nice little pretty baby. You see it? Me know your family tree more than you. You notice what me name? Me have a German name, you know. A Dufton me name, you know. You notice my name? Dufton. Dufton is a German name. Because my great people, them didn't know who was the godfather. A midwife writing at the book. Rufus with him big nose and him nose spread out like labor right. Rufus could have breed Henrietta and give her a straight nose pitney. You see how me have the German people them nose? You see it? When black dirty Matheron do it straight nose. Look for me. Look for my good people. Talk truth. When me I do with that pretty area. Look, you see it in a nappy and rolly. You see it spiky. When me I do with that nose in the area. Oh, no can't trick me. Oh, no can't trick me. Oh, no can't trick me. Oh, no can't trick dance room. Them can't trick other people. But nobody from St. Elizabeth can tell me nothing different. It's not Jamaica alone it happened. It happened in Trinidad and Guyana. But especially Trinidad. Alright, 1 big percent of Trinidad. You see all them little Indian girl where you see a Trinidad, them a jacket. Them a wrong parents come right up. The Trinidad. Alright, how you think soca, the first big soca calypso song? The first big calypso song, what do you think that song was about? Let me see if you know history or you know if you're educated. The first Calypso song, Sparrow them. Guess what it was about? The Trini woman them, they have them Trini husband and them Trini man and go down at the wharf, go fuck the American sailors them. And bring back some pretty half-breed picnic to the Trini man. And when the man them couldn't take it no more, the man them said, go, not give a jacket. And then I come the first soca, the first #1 soca song is about the Trini woman them where I give the Trini man them jacket and a breed for the American soldiers them. That's why, for you Jamaicans who didn't know, Trinidadians are the first Caribbean people to settle in America from the Caribbean. Jamaicans never come to America till in the 80s. Because we never business about America. England, our thing there. London. The Trini were the first to come to America. Because some of the man them, some of the sailor them they love the little Trini pum pum where them get. And them send for them Trini girl and marry her. And the Trini them end up come to New York. Because most of the ships that went to Trinidad was based from Virginia. But most of the soldiers were from New York. So, when most of them New Yorkers soldiers reach back home, him can't forget the island. And then the girl breed for him too. And him used to write love letters and say, me have a baby and you don't know no picture never used to send. Yeah, so most of them man they send for them Trini girl. And I succumb the Trinidadians and when them come up with picnic and everything. And the Trini them start come on New York from in the late 60s, 70s. The Jamaicans never start come on New York and America till like way down in the early 80s. In a Michael Manley time. Michael Manley send where a lot of Jamaicans, the Trini them are come from in the 50s to the 60s. The Jamaicans them never start come to like 78, 79, going to 80. Me not tell you no bullshit. Me I tell you